how to reset the chronograph hands on a Seiko 7T62 movement. Sometimes this happens after a battery change when the chronograph was running when the power ran out. The chip loses track of the position of both the center second hand and the sub-dial up here that keeps track of the chronograph minutes. So to make this adjustment, pull the crown out to the second position and hold the top pusher for 2 seconds. Now what will happen is we saw this sub-dial make a full rotation. You can see it's not in position. So you can either press this individually or we can press and hold and it will rapidly move to the correct position. So we'll put that back to 60 seconds. The next step is to press and hold the top pusher again. The center second hand now makes a full revolution and I can either index it slowly or I can press and hold and rapidly move to the correct position. And I think I went too far. There we go. So now when we press the crown back into the regular position, if I press the chronograph here, press stop, reset, and everything returns back to 0.